All right, welcome everybody. We are so happy that you guys could join us here today at the booth. We've been building up to this moment for a while. We got a lot of friends here from Oceaneering. We've got a lot of great customers, a lot of great industry folks here. So we're going to start talking about, by talking about some of the context of why we went on this journey with this new vehicle. So I've got myself along with Benton Vickner, who is our VP of our Subsea Robotics group here for the Americas. And so when we talk about the new technology, and we're not going to talk long because we want to unveil the new system, but when we talk about what leads into this and why we do what we do, for me, and just some context behind that, Benton and I talk frequently about, what is it that we can do to improve our operational efficiency, our HSE efficiencies, make it easier for our operators and our technicians who are offshore doing the work. And we constantly have that conversation, and we feed that information back to our development teams, and a lot of that goes into what you're going to see today. So maybe, Benton, you can talk a little bit about what they're going to see, what we can talk about once we unveil this thing.
A couple of points. Through our reliability-driven, it's a all-electric propulsion system. We have up to 30 days of subsea residency with this system, so we can work at the work site longer. A couple of other things, with listening to technician and operator feedback, we were able to design with 360-degree cameras, so we have full visibility around the entire ROV.
So kind of like a Tesla?
Very similar.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's very similar. So so we have some additional capabilities there. It has more thrust in all directions, has a higher payload than most standard work class ROVs. So really neat features. We listened to a lot of feedback both from yourself, our team, and our customers.
Great. All right, so enough about that. We're going to be taking questions. We're going to be answering your questions, but the reason why we're here, let's get to that. So how about this? All right, y'all, pull the cover. Let's go. Wow. Yeah. Amazing. This is the first time I've seen it as well. What a fine piece of machinery. Great, yeah. Let me get out of the way. Yeah. What do you think?
Impressive.
Impressive?
Very impressive.
Very impressive, yeah. Very cool. First thoughts. Any first thoughts on what you see? Just blurt it out. What do you see? Any first thoughts? Beautiful. Beautiful is a word that just came up. Any other first thoughts? It's the first time that I'm seeing it as well. Electrifying. There you go. All electric system. How about back here? Any first thoughts? Anything come to mind? What's that?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Absolutely. All right. Let's work this crowd over here. In the back, I saw a familiar face over here. Any first thoughts on what you see when we unveil the system? Just first thing that comes to mind? You love the name Momentum. Awesome. That's awesome. How about over here? Any first thoughts on once we unveil the system? Anything that comes to mind? Any first words?
Slick.
What? Slick. Awesome.
It's compact.
Yeah.
Smart.
There you go. Smarter than most of us. What's that? Lightweight. Great. This is great. Streamline. Yeah. Awesome. Well, this is the system. I would like to make a toast to Benton and his newest piece of technology. Here's to carrying momentum into 2026 and beyond.
Cheers.
Salud.